Select the text and convert it to outline. Then copy it 2 times. Select the first text and bring it to front. Select the second text, change the color and bring it behind the first letter. Select both of them, go to the object and make blend. Again, go to the object, blend, and this time choose blend options, specified steps, and choose 500. And now the gradient extrusion part is ready. Select the third text, bring it in the front of everything, put it above the extrusion part and change the color. The 3D text is ready. If you want to create plain extrusion part, then select everything, copy it, select the extrusion part, expand it. Then go to Pathfinder and merge it. And now the plain version of the extrusion part is ready.